This video is in reference to the crash at 501 Charleston Place. What you see in front of you is where the vehicle that was traveling, it is estimated at 60 miles per hour, initially came into contact with our neighbor's yard. The car traveled over the yard, continued to travel at a rate of 60 miles per hour, came down onto our street, Charleston Place, then went up onto our front yard. You will see damage that was from the undercarriage of the vehicle, continued to travel, and it is estimated by the police that the impact was made into our brick garage at 55 miles per hour. This is the inside of our garage. You'll excuse me, it's quite treacherous here, lots of glass. And then the vehicle breached the side wall of our garage, leading to this wall being ejected out, all of these brick fragments coming out, and eventually the vehicle coming to rest 269 feet approximately from the initial point of impact, coming to rest right here at the back of our yard.